Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find HoloWorld AI token wallet address on Binance. So HoloWorld just get listed on Binance, and if you want to transfer your Holo token from other wallets to Binance, it's very easy. So I will show you how. First, you can open your Binance apps, and then make sure you have signed in. After that, you can go to asset in the bottom right corner here, and then as you can see there is advanced here. You can click it, and then you can choose on-chain deposit, and then in the search box here you can type holo for HoloWorld AI token and click this one, holo. And there are two networks, BNB Smart Chain and then Solana, so it's up to you. Let's say I want to send from Solana network, so I will choose Solana, and then this is your HoloWorld AI wallet address on Binance with Solana network. And if you want to transfer your Holo from other wallets to Binance, you can just copy it or scan it, and then make sure you choose Solana network. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.